Nice.
Perfect nga po. Okay, good. Ini. Agay, agay. Okay, ini. 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
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 Bend left knee, bend left knee. Okay.
Wow.
Ini rocking the side, drop tayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, more. Tanaw sa bola. Oh, ha. Late kamay. That's okay. Pas magtihil. Focus yun. Okay, okay. Drop your racket. Oh, no. Ay, pag-short ka dili. Drop niya. Okay. Okay. Okay, back to the side. Drop. Oh. Good. Okay. Drop your racket. Good siya. Ano siya? Yan.
Yan ang magaling na coach, guys. Oh. Si Coach Tatay, napakagaling na coach niyan, guys.
Okay. Good.
Hi, sir. Sir, anak ni mo si Sian, sir?
Oo.
Anak ni mo?
Nami sa training camp.
Mayon na kayo mo dula, sir, no?
Mga 1 week pa ni siya, ma'am.
1 week pa ni siya?
Ni tatay.
Ikaw, sir, kay tennis player, may gyapon ka, no?
Tennis player niya po, ma'am.
Oh.
So, pag-practice mo. Igas tatay dyan, igas tatay.
Eh, galing.
Bend left knee.
Wow. Galing.
Again. 3. 5 more. Okay. 3. Bend left knee.
Wow. Galing. Wow, galing. Magaling na bata dahil magaling ang coach niya, guys. Wow. Okay, nice. Galing. Hi, Sean. Oh, what can you say, Sean, na magaling ka nang maglaro, Sean?
Sakto.
Yan si Sean, guys.
Oh.
Galing. Yan ang coach niya, guys. Napakagaling na coach.